If basic resets and firmware updates don't resolve the powering up problem, consider environmental factors. High electromagnetic interference from nearby devices can disrupt the modem's operation. If you have an older Huawei B535 unit from before 2023, Optus offers free replacements under an extended warranty program due to known hardware vulnerabilities. For persistent issues, contact Optus support. A technician visit might be necessary to diagnose internal hardware failures. Looking ahead, Optus is integrating AI-driven diagnostics into their support app to predict and prevent these loops based on user data. Future firmware updates will be more robust against network congestion, and energy-efficient modems should reduce power-related hangs. Always back up your settings before updating firmware, as failed updates can sometimes brick the device. The Sydney outage cluster in April 2025, where over 5,000 users reported the problem, highlighted the need for proactive LED monitoring and quick hotfixes by Optus.